Men and women are born to be different, as experts prove in x27. Brain differences begin in the W. News Corp is a network of leading companies in the worlds of diversified media, news, education, and information services. Turns out we really are wired differently. IT and x27. SA question, a new study finally confirms that the sexes really do have different brains, and suggests these variations start in the womb. The conclusion is a controversial one, as many experts think social influences are more important to the distinctive ways that men and women think. But scientists at New York University Langone say they in x27 VE narrowed down a biological route after they took brain scans of more than 100 fetuses in the womb. Study author Professor Mariah Thomason said she was not surprised by the finding. There were many differences in the organization of male and female fetal brains. That in x2, her team investigated how connectivity was different in the growing minds of boys and girls. Scans were taken of 118 fetuses in the second half of pregnancy. One of the big differences was in connections between distant parts of the brain. Girl produced more long-range neuron networks as they matured in the womb. While it in x27 is impossible to know how this changes the way women think, differences in boys in x27 brains were easier. Their connections were found to be more changeable than girls in x27. This may explain, males are more susceptible to environmental influences than female babies, she said. If that's true, that could partially account for the fact the male is more vulnerable and programmable. The finding breathes new life into the long-standing debate over male and female brains. Some scientists think differences in our minds are mostly shaped by social factors, while others believe we are born with them. Professor Gina Rupin, a scientist at Aston University, argued that the new study does not prove brain changes begin in the womb. She said that in pursuit of a hunt the difference agenda, the authors drew unfounded conclusions. The research was published in the journal Developmental Cognitive Neuroscience. A recent study found that it helps them stay sharper for longer. Scientists are hoping to get a better understanding of the human mind. For anyone worried about losing their marbles as they get older, Elon Musk may have a solution. Do you think men and women think differently? Let us know in the "We Pay for Your Stories." Do you have a story? Our journalists strive for accuracy, but on occasion we make mistakes. For further details,
raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.